down, down.
At the street, millions of ghosts passing by, staring at their feet, trapped behind the glass screens, trading out our eyes for a hollow algorithm feeding us the lies. The death of community, a systematic plan, eroding every fiber of the modern tribal man. I'm a Silicon Steppa in a digital desert zone, hyper-connected world, but entirely alone. But entirely alone. Searching for a pulse where everything is simulated, everything is false. They index your attention, monetize your cold despair, while the phantom grid is watching from the cameras in the air. But the pressure under the surface is starting to ignite. Yeah, the subharmonic frequencies are waking up the night. Maximum capacity, it's time to blow the grid. Smash the social conditioning, break through the screen. The heaviest acoustic violence that you've ever seen. We are tearing down surveillance, stepping out of line, reclaiming the connection of the human design. Looking for a pulse. Break the matrix down. Silicon Steppa lets out an unyielding grin. You can try to track my data, try to log my name, but you cannot index the spirit or encapsulate the flame. We reject the plastic culture, trade the wires for the dirt. Stepping past the matrix till the system short circuit and hurts.
Welcome back, user. Your human interaction tokens have expired.
Please look back at your screen to synthesize artificial happiness. Have a nice digital time.
Digital isolation.
We are breaking out the cage.
An auditory jailbreak fueled
By a righteous rage.
mass burden,
Lighting as we step into the floor, grinding Alice in chains, groove knocking down the door. We don't need the simulation,
we don't need the curse.
watch the empire of algorithms crumble to the grass.
Pure sonic liberation, built to rattle your